Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your July the 24th to July the 27th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Ngayon po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan, so Capricorn, para po sa mga gustong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yan. Ayan, para kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Capricorn. Nako, parang nawawala ang iyong amor, no? Dito sa inyong karelasyon. No? Parang sinasabi mo, nagbago siya. This is not the person that I know. No, I didn't sign up for this kind of relationship. I can see that there may be parang siguro nangihinayang tayo, no? For a few numbers of you with the shadows in here, there might be some choices. Siguro sabi niya, bakit ikaw yung pinili ko, no? May choices naman ako noon. Meron talaga ditong somewhat pagsisisi. Meron ding somewhat na bakit ito yung inuna ko, no? Meron naman ako mga opportunities na sana yun muna ang aking priority, no? Parang nag-iiba yung tingin mo sa relationship. It feels like hindi na ako ganun kasaya. At nararamdaman ko rin naman na parang napipilitan na lang ako just for the sake of, it could be for the sake of the kids, for the sake of the time, no, na pinagsamahan namin. But it kind of make me feel hindi na ako gumigising ng excited akong makita. No, yung parang ganon. You might be in a rocky situation. Probably you're not, or hindi mo pa ito nasasabi, no? Pero feeling ko nararamdaman niya. With the strength card in here, meron talagang, somehow, na, kumbaga sa lubid, nakahawak tayo, no? Not to save, or probably yes, it is to save, but not to sabihin natin make an effort already, no? So nakahawak lang ako dito, hahayaan kita, no? Kung gusto mong humawak ka. Kung gusto mong bumitaw, it's also fine with me. Siguro parang ang sinasabi mo dito, ayoko naman magmukhang kahit hindi ako masaya, sige na. Pero hindi ako makipaghiwalay. Kung ikaw makikipaghiwalay, parang wag mong aasahan na maghahabol ako, no? In fact, parang sabi yata ni Capricorn dito, si Capricorn para nakapag-move on while nandoon sa relationship, 'di ba? Yun yung parang parang feeling ko ready na ako. Nandito na lang ako sa isang relationship pero wala na yung puso ko sa relationship. No, in fact, don't get me wrong. Mahal ko pa rin. Pero hindi na siya ganun katulad ng dati, no? Don't get me wrong, wala ding iba. Kasi with the 8 of Cups in here, hindi lang ako masaya. I think that's a valid reason for me to feel this way. Not because kailangan ba na merong iba palagi. Walang iba. Anong magagawa natin, di ba? Hindi lang talaga ako masaya. This is not the relationship that I am. Parang na-disappoint ako kasi I have high expectations, no, ng relationship na ito, pero wala, eto siya, no? With the 8 of Cups, the 10 of Pentacles, and the 9 of Pentacles. This is beyond, no? Sabihin natin, eto kasi expectation ko, hindi man lang siya nangalahati, no? I feel like, feeling ko na-scam ako. Feeling ko, puro promise ang aking natatanggap, no? Puro promise itong aking naririnig. Wala naman akong nakikitang action, no? Um, Actually, naghahanap ka dito eh, no? Hindi mo lang talaga din sa kanya din dinidirekta na kasi kung pera naman ito, no? Parang alam mong nakaka-stress, no, na i-point out na kulang ang binibigay mong pera, no? Pero nakukulangan ka talaga. When it comes to abundance kasi may mean a lot of different things. Abundance is something that's very important to a person. Now, that depends on a person na nga. Some other people, their abundance is money, alahas, no? Some other people, their abundance is the relationship, the time, di ba? Pero nakukulangan talaga ako. With the Magician, Knight of Cups, the Four of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and the Two of Cups. So, what I am seeing in here is this might be a pace ng relationship ninyo. And you feel like ang bagal ng takbo, no, ng progress. It could be ang bagal ng takbo ng progress ng buhay natin when it comes to material, financial part, no, dun sa mga mag-asawa, or ang bagal ng takbo up until to a point na hindi na rin ako nag-expect, no? Binura ko na sa isip ko na you are going to put this connection into another level. And that really sucks, no? Kasi parang ang sinasabi natin dito, sino ba naman tao ang ayaw either makalakad, no, sa simbahan na nakaputing damit, no? Or hindi naman na not necessarily na sa simbahan, pwedeng sa West, no? Pwedeng ipakilala mo man lang ako sa magulang, pero wala, no? I'm not, parang feeling ko tuloy, it's, parang I'm ordinary, no? Parang dumating tayo dun sa part na ako especially yung treatment ko sa iyo, bakit parang ako baliwala, 'di ba? With the Knight of Cups, the Six of Wands in reverse and the Wheel of Fortune. So, I think that for a few numbers of you, there is a financial problem talaga, no? This might be for a reading, no, for couples. But I feel like gustong magreklamo, no? Gustong may sabihin si Capricorn, pero alam niya pag sinabi niya ito, pwedeng masaktan si person. So, I think communication is really the key here for the both of you to understand each other. Kasi, how come the person would know kung hindi ka magsasalita? The person might also interpret your actions in a different way. No, yun nga lang, ang kinoconsider mo dito, baka mamaya pag bumukas naman yung bibig mo, masamain naman. I understand your point. You might be in a, napakahirap ng iyong sitwasyon, Capricorn. Let's just check the emotion. Your emotion could be your emotion, your person's emotion. I need some more time before I can come to you. For a few numbers of you, baka you are in separation, whether it is physical or energetic. Wala mang away, baka nasa ibang lugar. Kung meron mang away, baka hindi nag-uusap, no? But it requires time. I wish you were next to me. So, eto na nga, meron talaga separations dito. Pero hindi pa pwede. Kasi nga, with the situation as of the moment, mahirap, may, parang ang hirap pagsamahin yung isang love, tas hahaluan mo ng panghihinayang, hahaluan mo ng inis, no? Um, it's actually not a good recipe for a committed relationship for now, no? So I think it's much better to give the person space. Um, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Sagittarius, Cancer, Leo, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, so this is your reading, no? So again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the zing notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So Capricorn, I want you to know na pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, sa um, description box na doon po ang aking link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Type in your question and then you'll see the question form. Nandun po yung how much per question, no? The QR code, the number, the name for your reference. Ayan. I also created a 4 questions plus 1 that's already a discounted price. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So, Capricorn, tuloy pa rin ang manhunt. No? The raffle is still ongoing. Pwede po kayong manalo na free reading sa akin. All you just need to do is to report the fake accounts na nandun po sa description box, screenshot and email it to the designated email for the raffle, no? So yun po. Capricorn, thank you so much. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next reading. Goodbye.